Good morning, dear children. Welcome back to our social online class. Children, in our last class, we started a new lesson keeping in touch. And today's class, we are going to continue the same lesson. Children, what is mean by keeping in touch? Keep in touch means to maintain close contact with someone or keep in communication with our relatives and friends. And we know there are many ways to keep in touch with people. And we learned about postal service and telephone. Postal service. Children, a post office is a very important place. We can send letters, parcels, money orders through the post office. And we know there are many new methods of communication are there. But the post office is still very important. Children, where we post letters, we post letters in the letter box outside the post office. Then the postman collects and sends them to their destination. These letters reach in few days. Okay. Then sometimes we send letters and parcels by speed post or by courier. They reach in 1 or 2 days. Children, from where we get postcards and stamps? We buy postcards, inland letters and stamps from the post office. Then you know what is money order? Sometimes people send money to others. This is called money order. What is money order, children? Sometimes people send money to others. This is called money order. Next, telephone. Children, why we use telephone? It is used to communicate with friends and families. Using a telephone, two people who are in different places can talk to each other. Children, who invented telephone? It is invented by a great scientist, Alexander Graham Bell. And we know nowadays people use mobile phones. Why, children? Because it is easy to carry and people carry mobile phones with them. Okay, children, let's learn about email and internet. You know what is email? Have you heard that word, children? Email is short for electronic mail, is one of the most widely used features of the internet along with the web. It allows you to send and receive messages to and from anyone within an email address anywhere in the world. Okay, an email reaches in few seconds. And nowadays many people use computer to communicate. Children, take page number 87. Let's do the book back exercise. A. Write the missing letters. First one, mono post letters in this. Where we post letters, children? In the letter box. LETTERBOX. Letter box. Second, Papa uses this service to send urgent letters. Sometimes we use to send letters and parcels by speed post or courier. Okay. Papa use this service, that is courier service. COURIER. 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 Third one, I use this to speak to my aunt. What we will use? Telephone. 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 Fourth one, Mummy uses this to send emails to Grandpa. Okay, what we will use? Many people use computer to communicate. So, Mummy uses this to send emails to Grandpa is computer. 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 B. Draw lines to match. Children, in this side we can see some words. So, we want to find out the correct answers and match. First one, parcels. Second one, post office. Third one, mobile phone. And fourth one, email. Then parcels. Okay, we can send the letters and parcels to speed post or courier. So, we want to match with speed post. Second, post office. Very good. sell stamps, letters and postcards. Then third one, mobile phone. Yes, can be carried everywhere, anywhere. Then fourth one, email. Email, internet. See, answer the following. First one, where do we go to send parcels? We go to a post office to send parcels. Where do we go to send parcels, children? We go to a post office to send parcels. Second, why do we use a telephone? We use a telephone to speak to people. Why do we use a telephone? We use a telephone to speak to people. Third one, how does a computer help us to communicate? Then how does it help us to communicate, children? We can write emails on the computer and send them to people by using the internet. We can write emails on the computer and send them to people by using the internet. Next, think and answer. My friend's birthday is after 2 days. I have made a birthday card for him. How should I send it? Tick your answers. How we will send the birthday card, children? By using telephone? No. Okay, B, by courier. So you want to put in the courier. Children, next page, one activity is there. You can see one postcard. Okay, what you have to do? You have to write your uncle address on the postcard. You have to buy one postcard and write your uncle's address on the postcard. Children, what we learned in this lesson? We learned about different ways to keep in touch with people. And we learned about postal service, telephone and email and internet. Children, where we post letters? We post letters in the letter box outside the post office. Then from where we get postcards and stamps, children? We buy postcards, inland letters and stamps from the post office. Then you know what is money order? Sometimes people send money to others. It is called money order. Why we are using telephone, children? Telephone is used to communicate with friends and families. Then who invented telephone, children? It is invented by a great scientist, Alexander Graham Bell. And nowadays people use mobile phone. Why? Because it is easy to carry anywhere. Okay. Then many people use computer to communicate. They send emails to one another using the internet and the email reaches in few seconds. Okay children, hope you all understood about today's topic. So write your classwork neatly and complete the book back exercise and learn the lesson. Have a nice day children.